I'm back. I guess maybe it doesn't seem that long to you, but it seems that long to me. Hello. How are you today? So I realized there's been quite an absence here. Wedding caught up to me. We had our engagement party. We had our engagement photos. I went to Tampa. Life just rolled quickly this month. So I really wasn't able to film, or never felt like anytime I was getting ready, I was rushing to get ready. As if you peep this, I am also doing currently what I really wanted to film. This is going to be the most basic, warm, orangey-ish, brownish matte eye that there was, but it's what I'm gonna wear today. It's what matches my dress. So we're here, but we're gonna film it. So that's why my brows are on, which I will do a tutorial on that one day. My eyes are primed. My hair is a mess because I also have to curl it and still do that. So stay tuned. So I'm hopping right in, and I'm taking Modern Renaissance, and I'm going to take Golden Ochre on the MB23, and we're just laying that outer edge and into the crease. I'm going to take Burnt Orange, which is not burnt orange in my opinion. Whatever. MB23, taking it on there. And I'm really going to do the same thing I did with Golden Ochre. Zhuzh it on the outer edge. Take the product in the crease. Once color's been deposited, really taking the time to go back and forth to blend it out. Taking it above when there's less color. Right, then I'm taking MB13 and I'm going in with Railgur. And I am going to put this on just the outer edge. I'm going to tap it. I am going to lightly take that up in the crease. My perfect orange would be like a little bit less brown than that, I feel like. I love this color. I wish it was just a smoochie later. And then we go back to the MB23 and we blend that out. I love these. I love this color. And then when I want to do a matte eye, but not because I always want to put something on the inner corner because I don't know, I feel like it needs something. So when I'm looking for a matte eye that is not matte, but looks matte, I'm going to shut up. I go in with Tempera because it's very much a sheeny shade instead of a glittery shade. Whatever else. I'm actually going to take that on a Morphe M170-8, my favorite packing brush. I am going to spritz it just because I find it packs on my face better. Oh, I got a new tattoo. Also did that. It's been a month. Okay. So I'm going to spray that with some Fix Plus. And then we're going to go in. For me, it just opens that eye up. Makes it look... I have small hooded eyes slightly, so that might be why too. But it brightens it up. So I don't like swoosh it really. I kind of pat the color down. Then I'm going to take the MB13, I'm not going to put product on it, and I'm just going to zhuzh that. This is actually a lot like what I did for my engagement photos, so that makes sense. It's been a go-to lately. Bold, not crazy bold, but in there. I am taking an e.l.f. makeup wipe, and I'm just cleaning up. There wasn't any like fallout, but you know, I like to clean up my edges. I am moisturized. For primer, I'm first going with my Too Faced Primed and Poreless. I'm going to need a new one of these. This is my ride or die. This will have been my, I don't know, 20th million too by now. So yeah, Tampa is really crazy. I'm going to a bridal shower today if I didn't already state that. Not only am I getting married, this is not my bridal shower. I have another close family member getting married, so this year's been kind of crazy, a lot going on. Tampa, I went to her bachelorette party, then we had like a surprise engagement photo shoot, mainly because the weather here in Pittsburgh has been pretty freaking bad, so it was kind of like a waiting game to see when we could take them, but we took them. They came out beautiful. I love them. Got them back, then we had to hurry up and get our save the dates out, because you're supposed to do your save the dates 6 months in advance. It's like 5 to 6 months, and we're like right on the it's about to be 4 months in June, so we're like at the 5-month mark as this is the beginning of May. So I really wanted to just hurry up and get those out, so we did that. I feel better. Had our engagement party. I'm gonna go in with the Murad Oil Control Mattifier SPF 15. I've just been taking a little bit of this and dabbing it on my forehead and my nose area, because as I said, the weather in Pittsburgh has been rainy, cold, but then all of a sudden it jumped to 80 degrees in the last week. And Mom is a Rolling Stone, but she's the oiliest Rolling Stone, so I just dab that. We had our engagement party. It went very well. It was cold, of course. But honestly, it was a great time. Kind of overwhelming for me because it's a lot of people. Sometimes I don't always do good with a lot of people. Too much. But Dom and I both had a lot of fun. We took a lot of Huggy Bombs, which if you don't know what that is, God bless your soul, because you really don't need to. Again, I feel like I've had a lot of events and I've wanted to film, but when it came down to time and the million other things that needed to be done, filming always just takes a little bit extra, and I didn't have that time. Technically, I really don't have this time this morning because I want to film Dom and I's, people write their story on their wedding website. I want to do a video. Maybe if I wasn't so extra, right? Okay, I'm going with the Napoleon Paradis foundation stick. This is in look 3. This is my second tube of this. This is one of the first high-end foundations I ever had. One of my Amazon Kabuki flat tops. I start kind of blending this in just a little bit. Nothing huge. It's hard right now because I went to Tampa and I've had some sun, because most of the time I'm at least 3 shades paler than this, so most of my colors right now are around that. So I always kind of like to take my stick foundation, blend it out just a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with a Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in Light Medium Sand. Again, this is a Mara favorite. Always when it comes down to what do I need to last, I wore this in my photos. I wore this exact, so maybe that should tell you something. I've worn this in weddings I'm in. I might wear this in my own. I don't know. You saw me testing out. Well, you might have saw me. I tested out a few foundations. I do really want to try out the Dior, I don't know what it was. Cameo, I think, was the shade I need to try. Forever Perfect, I don't know, foundation, not the spray one. I have that. I like that. I've used that with this. It's Forever something. I'm real good at remembering things. But I know a lot of people use that or use that. Then I'm going with Shape Tape. Obviously, this hair, I apologize. It's gonna get done here soon. This is in light neutral. I'm gonna be ordering the ColourPop ones highlighter soon, which I'm excited about. Beauty's fun. I just set my face with the Coty Airspun translucent powder. It's still marinating while I go in. I'm going to take the Milani Contour Stick in Light Neutral, also fan favorite. I don't know why, I just want to say fan favorite to everything today that I like. Do this under chin one, like literally, but I can't help but do it. Do you ever get in like a pattern of doing things and you're like, I don't even know why I'm doing this, but I am. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess and the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I understand that seems excessive. I'm being honest, because I could have told you one, but I'm gonna end up going in with both. First, I'm gonna take the Morphe M530. It's a little bit more together. I'm gonna do Park Avenue Princess with that. Since this is more to me a contour type shade, because apparently I'm double contouring today, I didn't even realize that. And then I take some of the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. This is just a little bit. I squeeze it. Just a little. Then I take the Real Techniques blush brush and I go in with the Chocolate Soleil. Since this is a little bit more warm, not a lot, I just dab in this a little bit, and this is just more to bronze. It's probably all in my head. For blush, to keep with those orangey tones, I'm going to go in with Luminoso by Milani. It's a baked blush. It's well known and loved. Very golden orange. For under the eye, I'm actually going to make it real simple. I'm just going to go in with Railger on a Wet n Wild 202. It's a pointed pencil brush. I'm going to go on the outer edge. And then on that same brush, I just wiped it off. I'm going to take Primavera, which is the goldish shade that I'm hitting pan on. Pop it on there. I'm going to take it to meet. And also pop that in on my inner corner. Then I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye On. This is in Sabbath, which is in navy blue. And I'm going to tight line my upper lashes. And you can see I put just a little bit of the navy blue on the outer edge. Okay, I'm going to go put lashes on because we're extra today. We're extra. And I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I just went with the Christina Wisps, the one I get from Amazon, and then I cut them. Once they're on my eye, which you really shouldn't do. And then I went in with the Essence Lash Princess False Effect. Finally ordered on Essence. Do it. One, you get like 20% off your first order. Shipping's free for $15. And it came super fast. So I ordered 2 bottles. I ordered Alyssa 2 bottles. I probably had a bunch of other people who would have wanted me to order them bottles too, because it is that good, people. That good. So lashes are on. For highlight, I'm actually going to go in with Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is one of those ones that keeps shocking me. Again, it's just a little baby I got in. Maybe I got it in a Birchbox, or I don't know. I can't remember if I had Ipsy. I might have had Ipsy for a month. It looks like it's going to be chunky, like in here, but when it's on your skin, it's not. It's not, and it's beautiful. And when I'm tanner, I really like to go towards the gold tones. So I'm taking Morphe M438. I have this for highlight. I usually use my Eco Tools, but that's in the back of Tom's car from our engagement photos because it fell. I'm actually going to use this for my brow bone. My e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. This is like always my... And I just focus it on the arch. I might pop a little in the inner corner too. For lips, I'm gonna do a red. I've like gone back and forth, but I think I want to do a red, so. Well, I'm gonna line my lips. This is like my only red lip liner, so. Kind of sucks, but we're gonna go with it. Like this doesn't suck. I'm just saying it sucks that it's my only one. Do not get me wrong. This is the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner. This is in Red the Scene. The only thing I do is I could make this pointier, but when I line them, I don't know if I can do this on camera. I'm not that talented. So I lined my lips. Then I'm going to take the Dose of Colors. This is a liquid lip, and this is in Hot Fire. This is the Desi Katie collection. Because I kind of want to make this, I don't have it. See how this is like orange red? I want this to be this. I just don't have a lip liner, so I'm going to go over it with this. I feel like I bought this and I haven't been able to use this color, so I'm kind of excited. So then that is the lip. You can still see there's the darker red around it, which I don't mind because it gives it almost that ombre. I think sometimes that makes your lips look a little bit juicier, luscious. And I do want to put some of this Smashbox Eau Plump lip gloss on this. So I'm pretty sure one of my first videos this had this. This is one of my favorite, or like the favorite lip plumper. I think it's only sold online though. I am obsessed with this. I had it in a purse that I hadn't used. When I went to Tampa, I found it and was so excited. And my love has just been reborn for it. So I like to put it on top, even though it's going to get it messy. You can feel it on your lips, but you can't like want to commit murder because it's not that bad. I don't know. I feel like it works. I love it. So... And then to complete this to complete this look, I'm going to take the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, I think, because I think this is done. Okay. We had like one thing left in there, so we're good. So that completes this train wreck, very neutral, like burnt orange, fire engine red lip look. I will be back more in the month of May. April was a little bit crazier than I think I even like realized. I knew we had stuff going on, but it got the better of me a little bit. So I need to stop. I always say when I like edit this, I'm like, stop fidgeting with your hair. It would look fine if you would stop playing with it, but you know that doesn't work. I will be back. I'm here. I will be filming. Probably shouldn't make promises if I'm not like absolutely sure keep them, but I will definitely make more of an effort. So I hope you are having a great day, week, month, wherever you are. Please comment, rate, link, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. If you haven't already, I don't know. I feel like I just want to keep going because, all right, I'm going to go do something with this hair, but I will see you in the next one. It will be soon.